Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I want to talk to you about how I went from 0 to 9,000 per month, my affiliate marketing journey. So let's jump in. So my story is one of hard work and never giving up. So I could have given up so many times, not going to lie. I took time off before when things weren't going my way and I didn't know if I would try again. And I'm sure that this is a story like a lot of other people where things aren't going your way, you're not getting any results, so you want to give up. That happens all the time with affiliate marketing. So I always knew though that there was a way, and I was obsessed with finding success in online marketing. So here's my story. I started back in 2010. So you can start doing the math. I am in my late 30s, but I started in 2010. I had gotten my bachelor's degree in business and I was working in a warehouse, and I wanted to go into business and utilize my skills in another way and not just use my body for labor, but actually use computers and use my brain more on making decisions. And so I went into business, but all along the way, I always had this side thing that I knew that there was people out there that were making a living online, and I wanted to be one of those people. It just took me longer to get there than I would have liked. But so what did I do? I actually, in 2010, I built affiliate websites. And one in particular that I remember was my Christmas toy website. A toy website, it was around December, maybe in November, around Black Friday, I started building a website. And it was around a bunch of keywords around people finding Christmas toys. And so what ended up happening, I built the site and we ranked a main page that had all the top toys for a certain age group. And we got a lot of traffic and made some good money. I actually made about $1,000 in December of 2010 with an affiliate Amazon site, right? And so I was instantly hooked because I saw that it is possible. You can make money from this, and it was a reality. So of course I had launched several other websites and things were looking really good. I had a lot of different websites. I had some Google AdSense websites, we're getting like $16 clicks in the insurance industry. And then shortly after that, in around 2011 and 2012, Google released its Penguin and Panda SEO updates to their algorithm. And that struck all my sites and, with thousands and thousands of other affiliate marketers got their websites shut down too. So the heyday for making easy money with affiliate sites was now over when Google decided that it was going to put a lot of effort into shutting those sites down and identifying them. This is back when PBNs were just coming to, to the market, where you could go and rank a site very easily and just with a few strong backlinks. And things have changed a lot, as you know. So I kept trying different affiliate marketing methods throughout the years. And I had some success here and there, but nothing that, I'd write home about. I freelanced. I did video creation, voiceovers, writing, etc. Found some success there, but nothing that I could quit my day job with. Also, I wanted to focus on passive income types and not 100% active income. So difference between passive income is while I'm sleeping, I can actually make a sale from a video that I put out. You're making passive income. You don't have to be actively working. So you're not making money per hour. You're actually making money around the clock. And that was what I wanted to focus on. And freelancing is you're only really getting paid by the project or by the hour. So it's kind of like going to your day job in your office, only maybe your office is at home. So it's still, if your only goal is to work from home, then freelancing is great. But if you want to take it to another level and have even more freedom to make your schedule and all that, then you're going to want to focus on some passive income models. And so, it was hit and miss back and forth since 2010. Finally, in 2019, I decided that I would pick one strategy and stick with it until I found success, something I never really did throughout my journey online. So I kept moving on to the next big thing, the next shiny object. This time, I know I could not do that anymore, right? I knew that I needed to stop just buying products after products, trying them out for, a couple of days or even up to a month and then giving up. I knew that I needed to get serious and actually take it serious and be consistent. So I needed to define my goals, get laser focused on the strategy, be consistent, persistent, stay motivated, and the success would happen. So sure enough, within 6 months, I started to see real results, big results that started looking like, whoa, you can actually do this full time. So my main motivation has always been to be my own boss and to make my own schedule. The freedom part of working for myself is worth more than money. So it wasn't necessarily about making $20,000 a month or I want to be the next millionaire. It was really, I want to be able to replace my day job income, and then be able to do this full time. And that was my dream. And so now that I've made this happen, and it's taken 1.5 years, 2 years of serious work to do this. Really, it actually didn't even take that long because I'm going to make another video, talk more about my other day job that I left. I was actually a director in my company, making some really good money for the company, but it didn't matter to me because I still always had this dream, and I always had kind of this entrepreneur type heart that I wanted to be able to do something different than everybody else working a day job. I wanted to be able to work for myself. And that was my dream. And that was more important than just keeping my steady, safe day job. So actually in the middle of what happened, with the pandemic, when people were losing their jobs, I actually was able to leave my cushy, comfortable day job to pursue this full time, which was really, really exciting. Is one of the most exciting days of my life where I got to actually leave my job. And when people asked me, what are you doing? Where are you going? And when I got to tell them that, I'm working for myself online, and it gets to the point, it's actually hard to explain what we do, right? But I just know that you could see a little glim of hope in people's eyes when you told them that they're like, wow, I can't believe that that's possible, but that's so cool. I wish I could do it. And then in the back of my head, I'm like, if you only knew how hard I've worked on this, then you would know that I deserved it. And so I love online marketing. It gives me a chance to spend more time with my family and friends. I get to wake up to commissions that were happening while I was sleeping. Then I get to have a joyous smile on my face every day that I start my workday. Like I said, I love this online marketing game. I found what I'm good at and what keeps me motivated. The top tip that I can give you is that you need to pick something and focus on it. Until you become successful, give it enough time, 6 months or a year before considering trying something else. Stay consistent. It's The Compound Effect, and actually by Darren Hardy. It's a great book, The Compound Effect. And basically it talks about how small tasks each day amount to large results later on. And once I got that in my head that I needed to, for example, my YouTube journey had a goal of, getting out as much content as I could. And, I had the goal of, releasing content daily, 5 to 6 times a week. I knew that I wasn't going to do that for a month and then, be able to quit my job. I had to do that for a year. I had to put out consistent content, 100 and something videos in order to make that happen. So you can't look at it as something's going to change tomorrow or tonight for me. But you can look at it and, well, if I do this one task and I do it every single day for 6 months, then I'm going to have a great result. So it is a lot about the compound effect. Small tasks each day amount to large results later on. So I hope that resonates with you. That's a little bit about my journey. And now I'm at the $9,000 mark, almost hitting $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing with my own products. And it's about a 60-40 split, I'd say, about 60% affiliate marketing, 40% my own products. Right now, I've moved on to now even bigger and better things. I've hired software developers that are working on softwares for me. I have automation softwares and artificial intelligence that's going to be releasing in the next few months. And I have several different YouTube channels. So a lot of big things in the work for this channel and my other channels. And so with that said, if you want more content like this, you want transparency, somebody that actually is making money online and that wants to share it with you for free, then hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. Until next time, take care.